Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change phone number on Telegram. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Telegram app. Make sure you have already downloaded Telegram app on your device. So in order to change your phone number, tap on setting icon that is located on bottom right corner. Here you will see your profile page. Here you will be seeing your profile details. Now tap on edit option on top right corner. So here you can see change number option. Simply tap on it if you want to change your phone number. And now again tap on change number. Now enter your new phone number and then you will receive a confirmation code. So in this way you can change your phone number on Telegram. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.